deep muscle relaxation technique where there is no imagination, willpower or suggestion, but the fact is, or the progressive muscular relaxation technique is based on the body's response to anxiety provoking thoughts and events with muscle tensions or a spasm, or we also call it as bracing. This physiological tension can increase the stress response, or what we can call the flight or fight or a flight or a fright response, the stress response, which in turn can induce an anxiety at the level of muscles. So this deep muscle relaxation reduces the physiological responses of stress and so reduces anxiety. The new habit of responding with one reduces the other habit of response to something else. In short, this positive relaxation technique or habit can reduce the negative tension habit. It is a technique to induce neuromuscular relaxation. So how effective is this progressive relaxation? This progressive relaxation has multiple physical and psychological benefits, which has excellent proven results in muscular tension, anxiety, insomnia, fatigue, depression, irritable bowel disease, muscle spasms, neck pain, headache, migraine, back pain, high blood pressure, mild phobia disorder, stuttering, writer's cramps, alcoholic abuse or any other drug abuse, batting stumps, stress management and simple thought control techniques. All these different series of conditions or diseases, we can use this Jacobson's progressive relaxation technique or neuromuscular relaxation technique. How much time we need to master this PMR, progressive muscular relaxation technique? Anywhere around 1 to 2 weeks of regular practice of 15 to 20 minutes twice a day sessions can be helpful for you to induce a deep level of relaxation. What are the prerequisites of this particular technique? Is simply a quiet, distraction-free environment where you can keep your mobile in silent mode or switch it off. Light should be dimmed. Noise can be an impeding to your learning, so you can use a stereo headphone or use a cotton in your ears to block out the outside noise. Make sure that you remove or loosen any tight clothing or a belt or a wristwatch or any jewelry. You can be off the shoes or chappals if you want. Any discomfort can be reduced or stopped by simply stopping the practice. Learning is designed to be very slow and complete, so do not expect a single significant result immediately. So do not contract any muscles which are sore, strained, cramped or pain, wounded or operated. Body position. Stretch out on the floor lying down. Either you can use a pillow. The position either can be supine or any relaxed comfortable position. Arm can be rested by your sides. In short, you can adopt a supine, restful, relaxed position. You can also practice in a reclined position or even standing after some initial practice. So in short while, you're going to learn and experience the progressive muscular relaxation technique. The idea in progressive muscular relaxation technique is that usually we will not be able to realize which of our muscles are chronically tensed. PMR or PR, progressive relaxation, provides an opportunity to identify particular muscles or muscles group and distinguish between sensation of a tension and a deep relaxation. We use a simple idea in this progressive muscular relaxation technique is each muscle or a muscle group is tense from 5 to 7 seconds and then relaxed for 20 to 30 seconds. Once you are familiar with this particular practice, and you can practice this regularly, keeping your eyes closed, focusing your attention on group of muscles at each time. So the instruction for progressive relaxation technique can be divided into 2 sessions. The first one is a basic procedure which we have provided an audio recording. You can replay while practicing. This one will make you familiar with the muscles of your body that are most commonly stressed. The second section shortens the procedure by simultaneously tensing, relaxing many muscles at a given time. So, deep muscle relaxation can be achieved in a very brief time.